Hi families, we just wanted to go over one quick thing that we've gotten a couple of questions on, and we thought it might be helpful to have a little step-by-step tutorial to see how it works. So the question we've gotten a lot is about Google Slides and how to make sure your child's work is actually turned in when the assignment is on a slide. So I'm going to walk you through a few steps and you'll see what it looks like from the kid's point of view. So when you are in Classroom, and your child's assignment is on a slide, because a lot of the assignments this week are on Google Slides. So today's math assignment is on a Google Slide, and I also wanted to point out that this View Assignment button will come in handy. If you ever lost or need to get back to somewhere on a certain day and subject, pressing View Assignment will bring up a nice view of all of the video and work. So you'll see the videos down here that you need, and over on the right will be your child's work. And so like today's is in Google Slides, so when you click on your work, Evelyn, thanks for letting us use your account again, it will open up a new tab in Google Slides. And Google Slides is just where they will do their work, and unfortunately there's no way to turn it in from this screen. So you'll notice in the top there's a share button and a present, and hopefully in the near future there would be a turn in button here, but right now it's not there or not working. So when your child is done working, so they'd work on their slide, they'd do their work, and when they're done, in order to show us that it's turned in, and in order to show on your child's screen in Google Classroom that they've turned in their work, you actually have to go back to Classroom. So you'll see that this slide is in a new tab, and then to finish the turn-in process, you want to go back to the first tab or back into Classroom where you're able to view the assignment. You'll notice that even though your child might be done working, he or she, it's important to go back, and then you'll see this blue turn-in button where you can turn in the work and it will bring up another message. And then at the very end, to know that it's all the way through, you'll see that it says unsubmit. If you make a mistake and your child wants to fix something, it's okay to press unsubmit. That just makes it so you can go back into the slide, fix what you needed to, and then again you would want to make sure that you press turn in. So this page comes in handy with the view assignment so that you can go into the slide work and then come back and press turn in. So I hope that was helpful. If you have other questions about that, please let us know, and hopefully you're able to get those Google Slides turned in. Okay, thanks.